So when I first moved to Savannah, my dream one day was to own my own practice, but I didn't think that would happen for so many years. And then doors just started opening. So in 2014, I started Water's Edge Counseling by myself, and I wanted to provide a place for people to get good quality counseling, but not in a sterile environment, a place that was homey, where you'd have your cup of coffee, there's always chocolates on the table, where you get welcomed with a smile. But it didn't feel like you're going to the doctor. It felt like you were going to see a friend, even though we have a solid therapeutic relationship. One other thing about Water's Edge Counseling that one of the staff just told me the other day is we are like family. It brought me to tears because I do put the team together in such a way that we love and care for one another. One thing that makes our therapists unique and different is that we really focus on the therapeutic relationship. Even though all of the therapists have different skills that they bring to the table, we believe that real healing first starts with the relationship with your therapist. And it's through that modality that we bring in other skills such as dialectical behavior therapy or cognitive behavior therapy. And so all of our therapists are trained in some of those basics, but then some of them go beyond that, might provide addiction counseling, couples counseling, eating disorder therapy. We see children as young as age 3. We see people even into their 70s, 80 years old. We work with couples, individuals, children, and families. I know that sometimes it's a hard decision to decide if you want to go to therapy, or you might feel like you have to have some big problem to come to therapy. The truth is you don't. I think of your mental health the same as maybe even your physical health. You go to the gym 3 times a week, come to therapy. Help your mental health. It's only going to make things better. And the good thing is you only have to commit to 1 session at a time. So it's not a huge commitment. Come one time, see how it goes, and hopefully you're going to be feeling better within a few weeks.